Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Crochet Fashion Area. I hope you all guys will be fine and safe. Where we dive into the mesmerizing world of crochet creativity. Too damn thrilled to share with you some breathtaking crochet design that will inspire your next project. But before we unravel this yarn filled adventure, let's jump right into the colorful and cozy world of crochet design. Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey with us? Let's begin the journey in today's video. We are going to explore our best crochet collection for women. We have different types of crochet design. Beautiful and different color combination crochet backpack designs collection. New Ideas Crochet Designs Collection 2024. Beautiful color crochet backpack designs collection. In this video we show you the some crochet backpack designs collection. These all collection are very useful. These collection will definitely helps you to improve your personality. These are all handmade crochet backpack designs collection. We always have some stylish and luxury collection of crochet backpack designs collection. You can see the beauty of these crochet backpack designs ideas collection. I hope you will enjoy the video. Do not forget to subscribe the bell icon and also join our growing family. Our every video is new adventure for you. Thanks for watching my video.